It's just a little blinding, isn't it? That's better. I can barely see. Hey, welcome. How you doing? We're gonna work on our roof today, and I got a project I have to do, so I thought I might bring you along for the ride. If you're curious about roof repair, or you just want to watch Eric do something. Ready? Here we go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
All right, here we got rooftop, urban Brooklyn. Statue of Liberty is out there. Manhattan is, well, that building blocks the view, sorry. But this thing here has to come out. And we gotta make it so once that comes out, water doesn't pour in. So water in a roof is a bad thing. So I got a plan. Let's see if it works. So this is called a torch down roof, or a modified bitumen roof. The kind of generic term is a torch down roof, but you seal the edges usually with a torch or with a cold melt adhesive. And since this is a wooden roof, you can no longer torch them down because the torch would sometimes start a fire. And the New York Fire Department got kind of tired of putting out roof fire. So instead of using the torch down method, because the fire department doesn't like that anymore, we're gonna use a cold melt adhesive, and it is over there. So people are like, why do you live in New York during the week? Well, our jobs are here, but also I can walk just about everywhere. I don't have to get in the car. And there's actually a roofing supply place a couple blocks that way. This is the residential part of our neighborhood, but there's a whole industrial part right over there. So this stuff only comes in 5-gallon buckets, so I don't think we're gonna hump all 5 gallons up on the roof. We'll have to figure something out. Okay, it's blindingly bright. I got a little sidetracked, but we're ready to remove the vents, and it's a beautiful day. So we're outside, we're working. What could be better? Safety first, you know? So if you notice here, I'm actually bending the reciprocating saw in relation to the blade, because I want this cut to be as low as possible, as flush with the roof as possible, but the saw here gets in the way, so I can bend the saw and the blade will stay in position. And that's a beautiful thing about reciprocating saws. This is soaking wet. It's not good. I'm just gonna leave this one open for a couple days and let it dry out. That's really, I mean, I'm glad we did it because we found a problem that we can fix, because we're GardenFork, right? We'll try and fix it. I broke the blade. This happens, no big deal. Just got to get it out of there now. Okay, I think those are going to stay in there for a while. I want to cut back around the other way and we'll meet in the middle. So I've wedged this up. I want to tighten this up now. Then I made this. Fits in nice. See how that goes over like that now? Okay, longer screw please. Wow. So again, that smooths out. That's what we want. You want to tie in all four corners. You don't want this to move underneath our roofing. So this is our material. This is a modified bitumen asphalt with gravel or aggregate. I can't remember what it's called on here. This is the underside. This is the top. I have a pair of tire gloves that I keep just for tiring. The bucket of this adhesive is so heavy, I keep it in the backyard and I just scoop it up like this. All right, pretty much all covered. Edges are important. Make sure you put the right side up. If you have some high spots, you can put a brick on here. Like right here is a little high, so I'm gonna just put a brick on there. And I like to press this out so that the adhesive is coming out. And then I learned this from a guy on YouTube. I take my finger and kind of like when you're doing bathtub caulk, you smooth it out. That seals the edge. All right. I got a little bit of tar in the back of the camera. I hope it doesn't stick too bad to plastic, but man, does this stuff stick. But look, we're good to go. I'm gonna paint this, and of course we'll make a video about painting a roof, because why not, you know? So I got one done. I got 4 more to go. I'm gonna be a little busy. So I got a bit of a suntan maybe, and it's October. Not bad, huh? Let me know what you think. Comments below there, all right? See you.